1. Currently available for sale is a stunning 1965 Chevrolet C10 priced at $28,000. This classic truck, with 67,139 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission and stands out with its blue exterior color, complemented by a silver interior. The seller takes pride in highlighting that this is an original truck with the factory body and original Balbo blue paint. It is a factory V8 truck with power steering. It features a rebuilt 350 engine, aluminum intake manifold, 750 Holley carburetor, a mild cam, 350 turbo transmission, new radiator, new heater core, new windshield wiper handles, and new door seals. The truck retains its original interior, with a new stereo system and speakers, new power brakes, and pipes. Additionally, it has a new wired trim, new headlights, new tires, a new wooden bed kit, a new underbed gas tank with a filling hatch. New seals for the front and rear windshields with stainless steel and chrome finishes have been installed. The cabin and body are in good condition, rated 8 out of 10, and the hood is rust-free. The numbers match on the fenders. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 is not just a truck, it's a work of art that combines originality with modern enhancements. With a clean title, no serious damages, and a rich list of updates, this truck presents a unique opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. 2. Today, an amazing 1977 Chevrolet Blazer is available for sale at $22,500. This restored vehicle, with 60,000 miles on it, features an automatic transmission and has a sandy exterior color that perfectly complements the black interior. The seller proudly presents this Blazer, which has undergone a complete restoration. Equipped with an LS engine, this car ensures excellent performance. The automatic transmission, selectable rear axle, power steering, and brake systems make driving comfortable and manageable. Although there was no air conditioning initially, the heater works great. The restoration includes new panels, floors, and carpets, as well as a new paint job, brakes, and windshield. The interior has also undergone changes. This Blazer comes with a clean title, no serious damages and issues. This 1977 Chevrolet Blazer is not just a car. It's a work of art that has undergone over 400 hours of restoration work. With a clean title in hand, this Blazer offers the opportunity to own an incredible piece of automotive history, combining elegant exterior design with excellent performance. 3. Currently available is a unique 1977 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, priced at $11,000. This truck, equipped with an automatic transmission, features brown exterior and interior colors, runs on gasoline, and has no significant damages or issues, and it's fully paid off. This C10 has undergone significant modifications, including the installation of a 355 engine with a mild camshaft, a Holley 600 carburetor, and a Delbrock electric fuel pump, dual electric fans, and a serpentine belt system. The updated list also includes an aluminum radiator with 3-row cooling, a 180-degree thermostat, and a new rear window. The car has a new brake system, a new battery, a new throttle cable, and a high-performance 4-inch air filter. The transmission shifts smoothly, almost imperceptibly. The seller notes that the car is used weekly for 1 to 2 days, but the connection of the air conditioner and vacuum lines for the heating/cooling system under the dashboard is required. While the cabin requires some attention, it provides an excellent base for road adventures. The car comes with original wheels and additional spare parts. With oil pressure at 50 to 60 psi and an engine producing around 400 to 450 EP, this Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe is a wonderful opportunity for classic truck enthusiasts. 4. Currently available is a 1976 Chevrolet Corvette priced at $8,750. This magnificent car, with 81,540 miles on it, is equipped with a manual transmission and is presented in a beige exterior with a tan interior. The car is in good condition, has a clean title, and lacks significant damages or issues. The seller emphasizes that this 1976 Corvette has remained untouched and entirely original. The car runs and drives excellently, making it an excellent starting point for restoration or a great opportunity for daily driving. However, some work is needed. The car requires a paint job with minor cosmetic work on the body, interior updates, exhaust system repairs, and attention to details. This car is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, along with factory air conditioning, making it not only classic but also comfortable to drive. At the time of the description, the mileage is only 81,450 miles. The tires, as well as the die-hard battery, have been recently replaced. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette is an excellent choice for those looking for a restoration project or simply wanting to enjoy the original beauty of a classic American muscle car. 5. Currently available is a 1978 Oldsmobile Tornado Bro, priced at $11,000. This magnificent car, with 60,000 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission and is presented in black with a black interior. The car is paid off, has a clean title, and lacks significant damages or problems. This 1978 Oldsmobile Tornado Bro is a beautiful and sturdy car, powered by a robust 403 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The interior is in excellent condition, featuring a functional AM/FM radio, electric antenna, windshield wipers, and power windows. This car is an excellent choice for pleasant rides and participation in car shows. The owner highlights that this is a very enjoyable car with a beautiful exterior and excellent mechanical condition. This 1978 Oldsmobile Tornado Bro is suitable for both daily driving and participating in automotive events. 6. Today we have an excellent 1977 Pontiac Firebird for sale at $9,000. This impressive car, with 65,000 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in brown with a tan interior. The car is paid off, has a clean title, and lacks significant damages or problems. This 1977 Pontiac Firebird retains its original engine and transmission, but has undergone a repaint. Currently, it runs and drives, although most vacuum lines are disconnected. The owner has installed a new power steering pump and hoses, along with replacing the front brake lines, calipers, pads, brake discs, and drums. The windows operate with power, and the car features adjustable cruise control, although the owner has never used it. This Firebird is equipped with factory air conditioning, which is currently non-functional. Despite the mileage, the body and trim floor are in excellent condition. The title is noted as clean and clear. The mileage is listed as mileage exempt, meaning the mileage may not be accurate. It's worth noting that while this car presents some challenges, such as the non-functional air conditioner and disconnected vacuum lines, its $9,000 price tag makes it an attractive option for those willing to take on a restoration or modification project. 7. Currently, a beautiful 1982 Chevrolet S10 Shortbed is available for sale at $3,500. This truck, with 120,000 miles on it, is equipped with a manual transmission and presented in black with a red interior. The car belongs to a single owner, is paid off, has a clean title, and lacks significant damages or problems. This 1982 Chevrolet S10 Shortbed makes an excellent daily driver with a 2.8-liter V6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle impresses with reliable performance, no leaks, and fuel efficiency. Stylish chrome wheels with excellent white lettering on the tires are installed. The seller notes that the only thing this truck needs is a brake upgrade after the installation of new ones. This car was manufactured without air conditioning and power steering, making it a rarity today. The owner emphasizes that the car has no rust or dents. The sale will be accompanied by only a bill of sale, as the state of Alabama does not title vehicles of this age. This Chevrolet S10 presents a unique opportunity for retro car enthusiasts who appreciate the simplicity and reliability of classic pickups. 8. Currently, a 1959 Ford Thunderbird is available for sale at $10,000. This project car, with 56,309 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in red with a red interior. The car is paid off, has a clean title, and lacks significant damages or problems. The seller has owned this 1959 Ford Thunderbird since 2014, using it on weekends until 2020. Despite its age, the car is generally in good condition, requiring some bodywork in a few areas. It was repainted before the seller's purchase. To install a new wiring harness, the seller removed the dashboard. All parts are still with me, and a new windshield was installed with seal replacements. The car is powered by a 352 V8 engine with a carburetor and an Edelbrock intake manifold, and various work has been done over the years. The engine starts, but the ignition wiring is in pretty poor condition, leading to the removal of the dashboard. This project Ford Thunderbird provides a unique opportunity to revive and restore a classic car. Despite the required work, it is a sturdy car for its age, and with a price of $10,000, it becomes an attractive option for those seeking a project with character and potential. 9. Currently available is a 1984 Cadillac DeVille priced at $3,500. This car, with 30,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in white with a burgundy interior. The car is paid off, has a clean title, and lacks significant damages or problems. This car is a project in working condition. The owner has updated the braking system and performed an oil change about a month ago. There are also new tires, although they have not been installed yet. Currently, the car requires tuning, including replacing spark plugs and distributor wires. At the moment, the engine is running with some difficulty due to the added fuel injector cleaner that is not suitable for the car, and the fuel needs to be flushed. It's worth noting that when stopping and subsequently accelerating at a traffic light, the engine may turn off, and to continue driving, the car needs to be shifted into neutral. The car received a new engine at 70,000 miles, so the actual current mileage is unknown. Additionally, it has a rebuilt transmission. This 1984 Cadillac DeVille offers an interesting project for those willing to invest time and effort into tuning and repairs to bring it to a more optimal condition. 10. Currently available is a 1966 Ford Ranchero priced at $10,000. This car, equipped with an automatic transmission, is painted in black with a gray interior, runs on gasoline, and is in good condition. The owner has made a series of significant mechanical improvements to this car. The 302 cubic inch engine has been overhauled with new pistons, rings, crankshaft bearings, main bearings, oil pump, new oil pan, timing chain, and gears. Additionally, a new performance distributor, aluminum intake, distributor, coil, spark plug wires, new generator, starter, water pump, aluminum radiator, and all hoses have been installed. The car has received a completely new brake system, including a new fuel pump and piping to the tank, which has been cleaned and sealed using POR 15 tank sealing. A new fuel sending unit has been installed. Recently, power steering with a new pump, jack, and hoses has been added, and the steering valve has been rebuilt with the installation of a new ball stud and bushing. The seller provides a complete set of the brake system with new pads, pipes, and seals, potentially making it upgraded with disc brakes. This 1966 Ford Ranchero represents an attractive offer for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate care and attention to detail in restoration. 11. Currently available is the exclusive 1956 Ford Victoria, priced at $37,500. This car, equipped with an automatic transmission, is painted in the original colors of mandarin orange and white, presenting a true masterpiece in excellent condition. This delightful 56 Ford Victoria is a real head-turner, attracting attention from onlookers. The beautifully repainted car in mandarin orange and white, original colors, is eye-catching, and everyone admires its outstanding and unique style. This luxurious car is a two-door hardtop with the original Continental kit installed by the dealer, featuring a chromed rim. It is equipped with fender skirts, rec-chromed bumpers, front and rear cow catcher guards, and original hubcaps with 4 new wide white-wall radial tires. Step inside and enjoy the attractive interior. The seats are upholstered in mandarin orange and white. The car features a new headliner, new mandarin orange colored carpets, and new sun visors. The interior is in excellent condition. Take the wheel and you'll feel like you're in a dream. The car is powered by a restored 292 cubic inch engine and a restored automatic transmission, Ford-O-Matic. It's easy to handle with power steering from the factory. Enjoy the dual exhaust with Hollywood mufflers. The car also comes with a new battery, original vacuum wipers, and a new fuel pump. 12. Currently available is a 1984 Chevrolet C10 priced at $8,800. This truck has a mileage of 67,000 miles and is in excellent condition. This original 1984 Chevrolet C10 with a mileage of 67,000 miles is a fantastic offer on the market. The automatic transmission, powerful 305 cubic inch engine, as well as the new battery, belts, and generator ensure excellent performance. The truck was repainted about 3 years ago and now looks fantastic. The absence of rust and the originality of this vehicle add value to it. There is a clean title and plenty of documents confirming the car's history. This C10 is equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission and has air conditioning, making driving comfortable and enjoyable. The lack of leaks and the good condition of the engine ensure that the car will serve for many more years. The only downside mentioned by the seller is minor dents from hail. However, if the buyer agrees with the offered price, the seller has suggested including his dent removal kit in the deal. This car is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable truck with original character and an affordable price.